If you're on Microsoft 365 E3 or E5, there's a licensing conversation you need to have before your next renewal. And most IT leaders I'm talking to right now either have not heard about it or they've heard about it and they don't quite know what to make of it yet. I'm Stephen Belusic with Quisitive. I want to give you 60 seconds of context and then tell you how we can help. On May 1st of this year, Microsoft launched E7, also known as the Frontier Suite. It is the first new enterprise licensing tier since E5 launched back in 2015. What E7 does is bundle four things into one SKU: Microsoft 365 E5, Copilot, Agent 365, and the full Entra Suite. All in, that's $117 per user per month if you buy those components separately today. E7, however, bundles them all at just $99. That's a 15% savings on paper, but whether it actually saves your organization money or costs more depends entirely on what you're running today. Here's why the timing matters. Two deadlines. First, E3 and E5 list prices go up on July 1st. If you have a renewal coming before the end of the year, the math you're looking at today is not the math you'll be looking at when you're at the renewal table. Second, CSP early adopter discounts up to 15% off close December 1st, 2026. That window is not coming back. This is not a reason to simply act fast and figure it out later. It's a reason to get informed now so you can make a confident decision before the deadline moves on you. What Quisitive is offering right now is a complimentary E7 executive briefing. It's a 60 to 90-minute working session, no pitch, no pressure, no obligation. What we do in that session, we look at your current licensing posture, what you own today, what you are paying, and the timing of your renewal. We run the actual cost model at your seat count. We talk through where E7 creates real value for your organization and where honestly it will not. And we give you a clear recommendation: move now, wait, or prepare for your next renewal. We have done over 1,400 security assessments and have been a Microsoft licensing partner for over a decade. This is exactly the kind of conversation we have with customers every day. This briefing is for CIOs, CISOs, IT directors, and licensing managers at organizations running on E3 or E5. Especially if you are paying for Copilot as a standalone add-on, you have a renewal in 2026 or 2027, or your team is starting to ask questions about AI governance and agentic sprawl. If any of those apply, this is worth an hour of your time. You can book your free E7 briefing at quisitive.com/E7-briefing. Spots are limited, and we are scheduling now while the early adopter window is still open. If you'd rather tell us about your environment first and get a faster booking, send a note to ask@quisitive.com. The decisions your organization makes in the next 6 months on Microsoft 365 licensing are going to matter. The right call just requires the right information first, and we're happy to provide it. I'll see you at the briefing.